Hi guys, welcome to lesson 5-6. I can find the area and perimeter of rectangles. So let's take a look at an example. So in this example, they've given us the length of a rectangle and the width. They want us to find A for area and P for perimeter. But what do those two things mean? If we take a look at perimeter, the word meter means measure and peri means around. So perimeter means the length around an object. So to find the perimeter or the length around an object, I'm going to first draw my rectangle. So here is a rectangle. And I'm going to look over here and I know my length is 8 units. So if this side is 8, this side must also be 8. I don't have the most perfect rectangle here. Let's see if I can even it out a little bit. There we go. Okay, so then my width is 4 units. So if this side is 4, then the parallel side is also 4. To find the length around, or the perimeter, I simply add both lengths and both widths. So 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4. So I know that's going to give me 24. Okay, now we're going to talk about the area. Area is the amount of space an object covers. So we still have our same dimensions for our same rectangle. So our width is 4 and our length is 8. We want to figure out how much space this rectangle covers. To do that, I'm simply going to multiply the length times the width. So we know area equals length times width. In this case, our length is 8 and our width is 4. 8 times 4 is 32. So our area is 32 units. And those are going to be square units because area is measured in squares. Actually, this would be 4. Okay, anyway, let's look at another example. Enzo is building a dog run that measures 10 feet by 9 feet. How many feet of fencing does he need to fence the area? So we have a rectangle. And if we're talking about fencing, that's going to be the length around my object. So I'm going to need to find the perimeter. We know that our dimensions are 10 feet by 9 feet. If you remember, perimeter, we're going to add the length around. So if this side is 10 feet, then this side is also 10 feet. And if this side is 9 feet, then this side is also 9 feet. So to find the perimeter, I'm going to add 9 plus 10 plus 9 plus 10. which gives me, let's see, 19 plus 19, 38. So my answer would be 38 feet of fencing. Today, you learned how to find the area and perimeter of a rectangle.